What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the airbag on this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1AAuto.com. We're going to disconnect the battery. I'll use an 8mm socket and a ratchet. Loosen this up, the negative battery terminal. Once it's loose, grab it and pull it off, set it out of the way. I'm going to use this Hex Wrench, and underneath the airbag there's a little hole right there. This happens to be a 2.5mm Hex Wrench, and you're going to feel around. So if you can grab on it and you can watch the airbag move, you're too far forward, you're going to back up just a little bit, and then there'll be something to push on. There's a spring. It might help out if you push on the airbag a little bit. And then it releases. You can slide the airbag up. And let me just show you what that looks like inside here. And that's pushing on this spring right here. When you push it up, there's clips right there that get pushed in. Just like that. All right, on the back of the airbag, we want to disconnect this connector right here. Just take a straight blade screwdriver and push. There we go. Disconnected it. It was just clipped on there pretty hard. Now we'll disconnect the airbag connectors. Just squeeze the little tabs. You can use a straight blade screwdriver if you have to. Push on the lock tabs and slide them out. Same with this one. And slide it out. Grab the airbag. When you place the airbag, you want to place it facing up. You never want to place it on its face, because if it does go off, then it'll go flying. Now we're going to connect the airbag. This white connector is going to go right here with the yellow one, and the black one goes to the green. Lock those in, and then we'll lock this last connector in. And lock it in place. Alright, now we want to make sure this wire is out of the way. Slide the airbag in position, and just with both hands, push it, and it's good to go. Take the negative battery terminal, reconnect it to the battery, and then take the 8mm socket and ratchet, and we'll snug this up. Grab the cable, wiggle it, make sure it's nice and tight.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.